Today we're diving into the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby, a high-performance truck that takes the legendary F-150 to an entirely new level. With aggressive styling, a supercharged engine, and a premium interior, the 2026 model continues the Shelby tradition of blending power with luxury. Let's explore everything you need to know about this beast, including its interior, exterior, performance, safety, pricing, and overall verdict. Exterior: aggressive, bold, and built for power, the 2026 Ford F-150. Shelby commands attention with its muscular stance and race-inspired styling. Ford and Shelby have enhanced the already rugged design of the F-150 with several upgrades that make this truck a true head-turner. Key exterior features: massive front grille, a bold Shelby-branded grille with aggressive air intakes gives it a menacing look. Custom hood, functional air vents and heat extractors help cool the supercharged engine. Carbon fiber accents. Lightweight carbon fiber elements are integrated into the body for a sportier feel. Performance wheels and tires. 22-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in all-terrain performance tires for grip on any surface. LED lighting. Updated LED headlights, fog lights, and tail lights enhance visibility and add a modern touch. Wide body kit. A flared fender design gives the truck an even wider, more muscular stance. Dual exhaust system. A high-performance Borla exhaust system provides an aggressive growl. With a mix of muscle truck aesthetics and aerodynamic enhancements, the 2026 F-150 Shelby isn't just built for performance. It's designed to make a statement interior, premium comfort with a performance touch step inside, and you're greeted by a high-end, race-inspired cabin that blends luxury with sportiness. Shelby has taken the F-150's already impressive interior and refined it with premium materials, modern tech, and unique Shelby branding. Key interior features: leather and Alcantara seats. The performance bucket seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with Shelby embroidery and contrast stitching. Carbon fiber dashboard and trim. The interior is enhanced with carbon fiber accents, reinforcing its sporty nature. 12-inch digital gauge cluster. A fully digital instrument panel provides real-time performance data and custom drive modes. 15-inch infotainment system. Ford Sync 5 system comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging. Shelby badging. Exclusive Shelby logos on the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel add a unique touch. Panoramic sunroof. Letting in more light. The large panoramic sunroof enhances the cabin's spacious feel. B&O Premium Sound System. A high-fidelity Bang & Olufsen sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. This is not just a workhorse, it's a luxurious performance truck designed for both daily driving and off-road thrills. Performance. Supercharged power and off-road dominance. What makes the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby truly special is its heart-pounding performance. Under the hood, Shelby has taken Ford's already potent V8 and cranked up the power to insane levels. Engine and performance specs. Supercharged 5.2L V8, derived from the Mustang GT 500. Horsepower, 775 plus HP. Torquey, over 700 lb-ft. 10-speed automatic transmission, 0 to 60 mph in under 4 seconds. Top speed, 120 plus mph, electronically limited. Upgraded suspension with Fox Racing shocks. Brembo performance brakes for better stopping power. This truck isn't just about straight line speed, it's designed to handle corners, off-road terrain, and towing heavy loads with ease. With multiple drive modes, including Sport, Baja, and Tow Haul, it adapts to any situation effortlessly. Safety. Built for protection and confidence. Ford has equipped the 2026 F-150 Shelby with advanced safety features to ensure high-speed stability and driver confidence. Key safety features: Ford Co-Pilot 360 2.0, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. 360-degree camera system provides a full view of the surroundings for better maneuverability. Advanced airbag system, side impact and curtain airbags for enhanced protection. Off-road stability control helps maintain balance on rugged terrain. Rear cross traffic alert assists when reversing out of tight spots. Emergency braking and collision avoidance system. With these safety features, the F-150 Shelby isn't just powerful, it's also one of the safest high-performance trucks on the road. Pricing. What will it cost? Shelby trucks don't come cheap, and the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby is expected to carry a premium price tag. Estimated pricing, USD. Base F-150 Shelby, 4x4, $110,000. Fully loaded model, $130,000 given its supercharged V8, exclusive Shelby tuning and luxury interior. This price point is expected for a high-performance truck of this caliber. Overall, verdict. Is the 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby worth it? The 2026 Ford F-150 Shelby is more than just a truck. It's a high-performance powerhouse designed for enthusiasts who want speed, luxury, and off-road capability in one.